At the 16th National Assembly entered the third working day of its first session, legislators have finalized core organizational structures and key leadership positions of the government. We're now connected with our reporters on the scene for more details on the National Assembly progress.
Thank you, Brian. As planned, the National Assembly has devoted its first 2.5 working days of the session to personnel matters, focusing on consolidating the state leadership structure. This morning, legislators completed the core leadership apparatus, electing deputy prime ministers and ministers. These appointments, together with positions filled on the first 2 working days, including the National Assembly Chair, Vice Chairs, Chief Justice of the Supreme People's Court, State President and Vice State President, Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Ministers, Prosecutor General of the Supreme People's Procuracy, and Cabinet members, finalized the core leadership lineup for the new term. This afternoon, the National Assembly will shift to legislative work, reviewing and discussing several key draft laws and amended codes, including the revised capital law, policies on international investment dispute resolution, and amendments to laws on emulation and commendation, belief and religion, and overseas representative missions. Mai Khanh reporting for Vietnam Today.
Thank you, Mai Khanh, for your update. And on the morning of April 8th, the National Assembly heard Prime Minister Lee Minh-hung present proposals regarding the structures and number of government members, as well as a list seeking National Assembly approval for the appointments of deputy prime ministers, ministers, and other government members. Following the presentations and appraisals report, lawmakers adopted a resolution on the compositions of the government for the 16th National Assembly term via an electronic vote. The legislature also proceeded to vote on the proposed appointments of deputy prime minister, ministers, and the government members. The National Assembly then passed resolutions approving the prime minister nomination for deputy prime ministers, ministers, as well as other members of the government. Accordingly, the legislature approved the appointment of 6 deputy prime minister for the 2026-2031 term. Phạm Gia Túc, Phan Văn Giang, Phạm Thị Thanh Trà, Hồ Quốc Dũng, Nguyễn Văn Thắng, and Lê Tiến Châu. The legislative body also adopted the prime minister nomination for the appointments of ministers and other government members for the 2026-2031 term. Minister of National Defense Phan Văn Giang, Ministers of Public Security Lương Tam Quang, Minister of Foreign Affairs Lê Hoài Trung, Minister of Home Affairs Đỗ Thanh Bình, Minister of Justice Hoàng Thanh Tùng, Minister of Finance Ngô Văn Tuấn, Minister of Industry and Trade Lê Mạnh Hùng, Minister of Agriculture and Environment Trịnh Việt Hùng, Minister of Construction Trần Hồng Minh, Minister of Culture, Sport and Tourism Lâm Thị Phương Thanh, Minister of Science and Technology Vũ Hải Quân, and Minister of Education and Training Hoàng Minh Sơn, Minister of Health Đào Hồng Lan, and Minister of Ethnic and Religious Affairs Nguyễn Đình Khang. Governors of the State Bank of Vietnam Phạm Đức Ấn, Inspector Generals of the Government Inspectorate Nguyễn Quốc Đoàn, Minister of Chairman of the Government Office Đặng Xuân Phong.